Bioengineers at Rice University have eradicated advanced ovarian and colorectal cancer in mice using drug factory implants. And they've done it in as little as 6 days. Drug factories might sound large, but the implants are actually incredibly small, about the size of a pinhead. They look like tiny beads. The beads are implanted in tissue surrounding the tumors with minimally invasive surgery and deliver interleukin-2, a natural compound that activates white blood cells to fight cancer. The beads consist of cells engineered to produce interleukin-2 encased in a protective shell. They are implanted once, but continue to administer the treatment until the cancer is gone. In animal tests, they eradicated all ovarian cancer tumors and defeated colorectal cancer in 7 of 8 animals. Human trials could start as soon as this fall, and the researchers say the method could be used to treat pancreatic, liver, and lung cancer, among others. And that's just finally some good news, you know? On Monday, Fisker Automotive held the European unveiling of the Ocean all-electric SUV at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Henrik Fisker said he wanted a, quote, sexy, cool SUV that's also super sustainable, which is why it had a surfboard in the back. I mean, he might have nailed it, though I'm already married to the RAV4 and that's all the sexy I need. The Ocean is manufactured in Austria, and the company plans to start deliveries in November 2022. According to Henrik, the company already has more than 33,000 reservations for the Fisker Ocean between the US and Europe. The SUV has a range from 273 miles for the Standard Edition and nearly 400 miles for the Extreme Edition. Fisker wants to change the way cars are developed. Comparing automotive to the fast-paced consumer electronics market, the founder said cars typically take 4.5 years to develop, which typically means selling new cars with old tech. The Ocean was developed in less than 2.5 years, and the tech in the vehicle was chosen last year. The new tech includes the Fisker Intelligent Pilot, the world's first digital radar that can detect both distance and height of objects to better understand the environment around the car. The radar is in each of the 4 corners of the car as well as out in front, and will even work in low visibility situations. The Ocean was also designed with sustainable materials. For example, the wheels are made of recycled carbon fiber and plastic bottles were recycled to make the interior. The company also boasts a solar roof that can add up to 1,500 miles range every year in mixed conditions, or 2,000 miles if you have a little more sun. Like Tesla, the automaker plans to offer over-the-air updates and will have a service network in place from day one. Like Tesla, they'll either pick up the car or service it in the field. While certain features like the solar roof have their skeptics, maybe the automotive industry could learn a little bit from the quick product development in the consumer electronics industry. As long as it's not the planned obsolescence. Don't need that thing quitting on me before I pay it off. On Wednesday, Icon, the construction company trying to solve the US housing shortage one 3D printed home at a time, unveiled House Zero in Austin, Texas. Icon wants to turn home design on its head. As we've seen in other industries, 3D printing has opened up the possibility of designs that were, until recently, non-manufacturable. Well, the same is true for homes. Icon partnered with Lake Flato Architects to create House Zero, a new open concept home. Icon offered a bit of a tease with shots from inside the well-manicured home, but is offering tours if you happen to be at South by Southwest in a couple of weeks. Designed by Lake Flato, the home was printed on Icon's Vulcan construction system. According to the company, the home blends mid-century modernist ranch house aesthetics with an energy-efficient design. And I mostly only understand the energy-efficient design part of that sentence. The prototype is designed to shine a light on the resiliency and sustainability of additive construction. House Zero is about 2,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The walls are made of Icon's proprietary lavacrete, insulation, and steel. The lavacrete provides thermal mass that slows heat transfer into the home, and the combination of thermal mass, increased insulation, and an airtight wall increases the energy efficiency and reduces life cycle costs. In a statement, Jason Ballard, co-founder and CEO of Icon, said, quote, House Zero is ground zero for the emergence of entirely new design languages and architectural vernaculars that will use robotic construction to deliver the things we need most from our housing: comfort, beauty, dignity, sustainability, attainability, and hope. He hopes to inspire architects, developers, builders, and homeowners to embrace 3D printed housing, since there are only a handful in the industry that already struggle to keep up with demand. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.